What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Urban DIY TV, and today we're going to review this Midea, also Midea if you want to say it that way, freezer that I got on Amazon. So this is about 60 pounds. It's upright. It's pretty deep. I like it. It does everything that I need it to do. So I've got my frozen foods here, some stuff that I bought for the party that I'm having on 4th of July. I've got my meat that I just can't put in my fridge in my kitchen. And so you can see I use this area right here, which is pretty useful because I've got my filet mignons up here, and then I have my larger items that won't fit in the tray down here. And that works out really good. You've got underneath here, you've got a storage area and a storage area that goes a little bit deeper all the way here. Overall, I would say, so this cost me about, I want to say $199. You can see it on Amazon, obviously. They do have different sizes, and it does have about a 4-star review. My overall review is it does everything I need it to do. It showed up in good shape. It was pull it out of the box and install it, plug it in, and boom, you were freezing stuff. And so far, I've had it for 2 months, and it's worked. I mean, all it is just one plug-in. My electric bill doesn't seem to be impacted by it too much, and so it works out and does everything I needed it to do. So overall, I give it a 5-star review. I know it's got a 3.9 review on Amazon by other customers, but I've had it for 2 months, like I said, and so far everything's been good. I like it. I recommend it.